Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope you're all fine and good. Um, I have been super tight, really busy. I've been off the charts. I actually had a video I was supposed to upload about Euro NZD. I actually hit stop loss, but that aside, I was supposed to make the video about the Euro NZD, but my last video I got quite a number of requests, especially on my WhatsApp to someone asked me on my YouTube. You said, how do I draw my zones? Another person came on WhatsApp, said, how do I structure, what do I look for, how do I do this, how do I do that? So many questions here and there. So I'm going to try as much as possible to break down everything in this video. So it might be a little bit long, but I'll try and make it short as possible. So basically what you need to understand is that the market moves in three different ways, okay? Basically, I'm talking basically, three different states. It's either the market is moving upwards, either the market is moving downwards, or the market is consolidating. So I have something I drew. This particularly, yes, as you can see here, this is a market. This is an uptrend. The market either moves like this, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This is actually what means that the market is moving upwards. Yeah, as you can see, this is the flow. The market will go up, go down, move up, down, upward, but all the same, it's still gradually moving up. So that's why I said the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. So the market keeps moving upwards. This is an upward trend, upwards, right? Now, let's check this downtrend, yeah? When I say the market is moving downwards, which is this, on the left side, the market would move lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Similar to the uptrend, yeah? But this is actually moving downwards. I know some people will say, hey, I already understand this, I understand what you mean, but I really hope you do, because this might be something basic, like, oh, you've seen this thing before, you've seen it before. This market is heading downwards, yeah? This one is heading upwards. Now let me see that of the consolidation so you can quickly understand it. Yeah. Um, where's the consolidation? Yes, this is the consolidation one market. Now, if you notice, the market is at a particular level. Up down, but it's still within the range or they call it consultation. Some say ranging, some just said in between. Whatever the word you use, yeah, it's still fine. The market is refusing to go upwards or downwards. It's just within a particular level, as you can see closely. So we need to be able to really pay attention to what's this, and these are the basic way, like I said. Either the market is moving upwards, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, like that, right? Or the market, let me just do this, or is either the market is moving upwards, like I explained earlier, yeah? Higher, high, higher, low, higher, higher, low, upwards. Either the market is moving downwards, like this, yeah? Downwards, yeah? Or this one here, either the market is consolidating. That means it's refusing to break a particular level. That means it's actually ranging within this level, as you can see here. It's actually ranging. Now I'm definitely going to explain this in real market. The reason why I want you to understand this basic is because it's very important. Now, mind you, there are types of let's say, like I said, this is the basic, yeah. But then again, a market can be like this, an upward trend, but it might go something like this. Normal high, high. You see like this, high, then up, high, high. Then maybe something like this, high, low. Then up again, high, high. Maybe high, low. Understand? You might see something like this. It is still an uptrend. It's just that the markets, the candles are actually spiking up. up and down, like it's really spiking. So it happens like that. Similarly, on the downtrend, if it's downwards, yeah, if it's heading downwards, you may see something like this, you know, like this, like this, like this. Maybe market spike back up, head. It is still what overall a downtrend. The market is still headed down. Now for consolidation, yeah, like this. As the market is consolidating, let me start from this consolidation. What we're actually waiting for is okay. Let me do this. Let me do this. Like I said, this video might be a little bit long, but I hope you guys get it. Now, let's say if I'm trying to do something like this, what I basically trade is like break and retest, right? I actually, let's say the market is headed downwards, yeah, and I want to sell lower low, lower high, lower low, now lower high. Now, how do I trade? I basically just wait. Let's say this is a level, interesting level, yeah. This is another, this is even, in fact, it starts from here, yeah. Another interesting level at this level here. Now, common sense, what should I wait for? If I want to, let's say I'm already late and I don't look for what I don't see a, let's say, candle confirmation, let's say bullish engulfer, bearish engulfer. For those that are already trading, you understand what a bullish engulfer is, bearish engulfer is, morning star, evening star. You should know that. So let's say I don't trade here. I'm trying to wait for the market to get to this level. Yeah. What do? I wait for the market to break this level here. Are you with me? I wait for the market to break this level here. Come back for a retest. At this level, this is where I look for entry to sell all the way to the next level. Wherever I found my spot, whenever I want to do. Come here, I set my stop loss, I sell, basically sell, set my stop loss just, very well. Depending on, I'm going to come to the live chat actually. 1:4 or 5, whichever ratio I find at the market, like I might just leave it 1:3 self I think 1:3 is a very good I usually see opportunity for 1:3 these days because the market is crazy, you can never tell. So 1:3 is very okay. Similarly, for the upside, let's say I want to trade upwards and I'm waiting for the market to break above this level. What do? I wait. The market might even do something like the market might do something like this. Refuse to break, and this, then finally go upwards, come down. Then this is where I'll pick my entry. Understand? To now buy all the way to wherever I find befitting. You understand? Then I put my long here. All the way. I don't know why my listing is like this. Put my long, set my stop loss, just enough. Let's say is this well. 1:4, yeah. So forget about the ratio. It depends on where you're going to set your stop loss. I think regarding that stop loss, like I said, I hit a stop loss on Euro USD, so I think I'll have to do that in another video. So yeah. Meanwhile, so this is just basically it. Yeah, I trade break and retest. Right, the market is heading downwards. I wait for a break, then I put my sell, and so on. Now, for the last part, which is the consolidation. Yeah. Let's see. For a market that is consolidating, what do I look out for? What am I looking for? What do I try and look out for? The consolidation. The market does something like this. Like this, like this, like this, like this, refusing to break either at the upside or to the downside. So what do I do? Do I trade within this range here like this? I don't like trading consolidating market, especially at a lower time frame. Reason is because it can be crazy. You might see something like this, spike, like this, like this, Fine. Now let's say for example now you put your, let's say the market is here, and you pick a buy, then you put your stop loss above this level. Something like this might happen. The market can just spike, come back, do something crazy like this, and then like this. So you see, that's already hit your stop loss, yet still going in the direction. Yeah. So how do I do this? What I do is I basically wait. Let's say if I'm waiting for an uptrend, I wait for a market to break above this level, come for a retest, then I pick my buy at this level. After seeing, if I see a candle confirmation at this level low, then I buy to the upside. Similarly, same way, if the market is consolidating, yeah, I said the market is consolidating like this, like this. If I want to sell, yeah, I wait for what? A break above this level for it to come back to this level. Then I wait for a candle confirmation before at this level. I wait for a candle confirmation. If I see it, if I'm selling either a bearish engulfer or an evening star, then I sell all the way to the downside. That's how I sell for consolidating market. Now, want me to show this on the recharts? I think it's already 11 minutes right now. So in my next video, I think I'll upload the next video. I'll upload them. This should be part one. Let me explain part two.